Dear children, in the morning I had given you science comprehension of biology chapter number 5, that is fundamental unit of life. So let us discuss about the passage that I have given you. I hope you have already gone through these two passages. So let me discuss about these two passages. So first passage is about ribosomes. Uh, you have to study the given paragraph and answer the following questions based on this passage. So question 1 is that ribosomes are found in, you have given four options, uh, prokaryotes only, eukaryotes only, both A and B, that is prokaryotes and eukaryotes, or none of these. So the correct answer of this is C part, that is both A and B. That means ribosomes are present in prokaryotes as well as in eukaryotes also. So question 2 is which of the following is called protein factories of the cell? So the answer of this question is your part A, that is ribosome. Next question is ribosome is made up of, I hope you have already found the answers of these questions as they are so simple, so easy. The answer of this question is your A part, that is ribonucleoprotein. Fine. And next question is the constituent of ribosome is, the answer of this question is your A part, that is 50% protein and 50% ribosomal RNA. So rRNA जो है, it is ribosomal RNA is a component of a ribosomes. Basically there are three major types of RNA that occurs in a cell. They are rRNA, mRNA and tRNA. So rRNA is your ribosomal RNA, mRNA is your messenger RNA, and tRNA is your transfer RNA. Fine. So let us discuss now your next passage. Sorry, here I forgot to give you the hints to complete this passage, but you can see the hints in this PDF form. So here you have to complete the passage with an appropriate word or term to be filled in the blank space. So hints are already given to you here in the red words. Is the Golgi apparatus first described by dash. So you have to fill here Camillo Golgi, the scientist who first described the Golgi apparatus. The spelling of Camillo Golgi is your Camello Golgi, Camillo Golgi, Golgi. So the name of Golgi apparatus is given after his name. Second fill up of this passage is your membrane bound. That is, the Golgi apparatus first described Camillo Golgi consists of a system of membrane bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisterns. So third fill up is your cistern. Next is the material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Its function include the storage, modification and packages of products in vesicles. In some cases, complex sugar may be made from simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus. It is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. So you have to note both the passages on your notebook and practice such kind of passages for your future concern. Thank you.